My name is Ethan Moore, and I'm from Wellington, Ohio. My full-time job is an ICU nurse, and I'm also the owner of Lake Erie Drone. I am an alumni from LC's nursing program. I graduated in 2019. I got started through the College Credit Plus program when I was in Wellington. So I graduated my senior year of high school with my Associates of Science and then got started in the nursing program. I did university partnership with OU. So now I work at Mercy Lorain in the ICU, and I work there full-time on day shift. My mom is a nurse, my uncle's a nurse, my aunt's a nurse, my grandmother's a nurse, so it kind of runs in the family. Oh wait, there's more. When I was in high school, I built a drone for my AV class. Now I've got this nurse wage coming through. I thought, well, it would be cool to get back into drones a little bit. Lake Erie Drone primarily focuses on agricultural spraying at this point. That's all we do, actually. It was pretty scary to buy one, to open up the checkbook for that. To my great relief, I have found steady business, and I'm charging a very reasonable rate that our farmers are very happy with, and we're providing a service that our farmers are very happy with. And what I really am proud of with my business and my service is that it's a very high quality product. Lake Erie Drone is just a business manifestation of advanced air mobility, which is the third generation of aviation and how we're going to change lots of things. So this is kind of just the start.